Hello, I'm Shannon Magdalen, and this is my presentation on the history and development of the principles of editing. October 1888, the first ever film to be made was a silent film based around two male characters and a female character, and was filmed of a man walking around in a garden. December 1903, The Great Train Robbery. This was directed by Edwin S. Porter, based around a group of bandits who stage a brazen train hold-up. This was created on a budget of around £150 and was also one of the first films to use transitions. In February 1915, Birth of a Nation was one of D.W. Griffith's masterpieces, famous for being the first to use eyeline match, tracking shots, and flashbacks. The first nonlinear editing in January 1971, the CMX 600, was a joint venture between CBS and Memorex. It recorded and played back black and white on modified disc pack drives, the size of washing machines, with storage space of half an hour of data. The Lumiere brothers were the first filmmakers in history to patent the cinematograph. Edwin S. Porter, on the other hand, was an American early film pioneer, most famous as a director of over 250 films. Vernon Field was also an American film editor, but also a TV editor, educator, and entertainment industry executive. D.W. Griffith was an American film director, mostly remembered as the director of the 1915 film The Birth of a Nation. And Margaret Booth was also an American film editor, born in Los Angeles, starting her Hollywood career as a patcher, editing films for D.W. Griffith. The purpose of editing. Lots of different people interpret the purpose of editing differently. In my opinion, there are many different reasons for the purpose of editing. One main reason would be so that the programs or films we are watching are easier to watch. I also think it helps to create the story or the meaning of the production, and also it creates emotion and sets the mood for the audience. I also think that it enhances the genre and gives a real indication to what the genre of the film is due to its codes and conventions. There are many different techniques used within media, some of which include the 180-degree rule, eyeline match, cross-cutting, parallel editing, and over-the-shoulder shot. The 180-degree rule is the on-screen relationship between a character and another character or object, and the spatial awareness where the camera never passes the invisible 180-degree line. Eye matching, however, is a film editing technique associated with the continuity editing system, based on the premise that the audience will want to see what the character on screen is seeing. On the other hand, with cross-cutting or parallel editing, they are both in a way the same technique, where cutting occurs at the same time in two separate locations, whereas a cutaway is where a close-up shot of someone or something is seen in the main scene, then cuts away to a different scene. Over-the-shoulder shot, however, is when we see two characters on screen, or a character and an object, but the camera is looking over one of the character's shoulders, looking at the second character. This has been my presentation on editing. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.